Beneath the earth, Ata-1 sacrifices her own body to create her first brood of daughters. Sealed underground with nothing to eat, she's had to digest her wing muscles and part of her brain to make them. These first all-female workers are tiny, but now they're here. They can start to provide real food by farming. The new workers have vetted waste from the nest, and now they can start to harvest its tips for food. Tiny workers are no longer enough. The colony needs specialist foragers. These new sisters far outsize their nest mates and develop razor-sharp mandibles, naturally hardened with metal. Perfect for cutting leaves. They head out to work. In just 8 weeks, the Queen has a workforce able to take on all the tasks of running the nest. All except one. Ata-1 is still the only ant that can be a mother. And the other ants depend on her to continue their line. Her final sacrifice is to be buried inside the fungus, where she'll pump out eggs until the day she dies.